Did I just find the most usable drone for education and marketing? Will here, and I have with me the hoverair X1. Now, this is not a paid sponsorship. Actually saw this, thought it was cool, and I wanted to test it out. This is a small compact drone that you actually don't need to get your flight pilot's license for, which I love. It's perfect for indoor settings, and it's really cool with all of its tracking features. The ones that I really love, and they're ones that you have to unlock in the app, and you can watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos on that elsewhere, but there's a dolly track mode, so it will follow you backwards. So while you walk towards it, right, the drone goes backwards, and it'll sync up with audio if you connect a wireless microphone to it. I prefer the Rhodes. A lot of people like DJI, and you can also use something else. But what I think is extra cool about this is all of the possibilities it opens up for marketing. So when you have something this small, right, you can do a large shot in a gym if you wanted to, or outside. It works very well outside. But the cool feature, I think, is also just the stationary. So all you do once it's turned on, put it in your hand, let it see you so it knows where to track, and it just goes up, right? Now check this out. What? So it'll just follow you around, and when you're ready for it to land, you just stick out your hand and it comes down. Now, you may hear it on this microphone right now. It's super loud, but let's switch over to what it looks like when you pair this with a device and the microphone connected to it. Now, since we're here, and it will track me as we go around, but it's actually syncing out the sound of the propellers and that whining noise. And I think that is what is incredibly cool about this. Now, other shots like a tracking or a follow me shot, this would be perfect if you were using it in a hallway. Like if you're trying to get one of those nice dynamic hallway movement shots where it follows a student into a larger commons area, or even if you're outside and you're doing the dolly track where you're walking towards it, which you can see in this clip here. You can create a very seamless experience for recording your videos. Now, this could be extremely useful for something in a school if you're creating a walking down the hallway, or having another person with you to interview and do a walk and talk while having a moving camera that you don't have to worry about. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Do you think this could be useful in your classroom? I know I have a lot of potential ideas that would work great just in a classroom setting itself outside of marketing context, but I want to know your thoughts. And for, I think it was like $3.99 with the extra battery pack, it's a great deal. It's about on par for pricing with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. However, that is, requiring you to go get at least your drone pilot's training, and then also, just a little bit more investment there. This one, I don't know, seems safer to use around kids in a school setting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button and let me know in the comment section below, how do you think that this could be used in your classroom or in your school?